So this video would show you how to perform descriptive statistics in SPSS. Now, descriptive statistics helps in summarizing your data sets into a more simple and explainable way. It usually uses the mean and the standard deviation to do the interpretation. There are other extreme ones that uses the kurtosis and the skewness to do it, but mostly it is the mean and the standard deviation that are used in doing the explanation. So in doing so, you should ensure that your data set in SPSS has been entered and coded. If this is your first time, look out for our video on YouTube on how to enter or code data into SPSS. Alright, in doing that, in performing descriptive statistics, ensure that all your data sets actually matches with your questionnaire. And for the purposes of this video, we are using this questionnaire. Okay, now this questionnaire is on talent management practices, and we are using a number of 15 questions to run the analysis. Now, when you look at the data sets in SPSS here, you realize that the first few items are actually demographic data sets. Normally, descriptive statistics is run on Likert scale type of questions. Then again, if this is your first time, we have further videos that you can check on how to code or enter Likert scale questions in SPSS. Kindly check that out as well. All right, so when we are conducting our descriptive statistics, our main focus would be on our Likert scale type of question. When you look at this place, you realize that all the names that you have here are actually the serial numbers that we have in the questionnaire to help us and easily locate our questions in the SPSS. Okay, so you come to analyze. Inside analyze, you come to descriptive statistics, and under descriptive statistics you choose descriptives. So you click on descriptives and a dialog box like this would open. Now this dialog box on the left side here contains all the sets of your questions or your data set that you've entered. All right, now we indicated that the questions that we will be dealing with are the Likert scale questions. So when you look at the first few variables up to the departments here, it is just demographic data. Hence, we would start the selection from the second one, okay, from the next one. Now, when you look at the questionnaire once again, you realize that the questions under the talent management practices are 15. That means that we would have to select the first 15 questions or the first 15 statements from here to make up our descriptive statistics for the first variable that we are looking at, which is talent management practices. Now, when you look at the first question here, the first statement here, it says that the organization attracts highly skilled employees. Just for you to be on the safer side, cross-check that with the one that you have here. When you put the cursor on it, the question will come. You realize that at the end it is TMP1, and the statement is the same as the one that we have in the questionnaire. So you select the first 15 type of questions here. So let's start selection. We go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then again, you can put the cursor on the last 15. So you can see at the end it is TMP 15, and the question is high performance. So you just cross check that it is on high performers are properly rewarded in this organization. You cross check with the last 15 item here and see whether it matches. High performers are appropriately rewarded in this organization, so it means it is correct. Now there are options that you can choose from. So you can click on options. When you click on options, you realize that this dialog box that opens has already mean checked, standard deviation checked, minimum checked, maximum checked. If you want to see other tools, or you want to see other dispersion or characteristics of distributions, you can choose from. But we just keep it as simple as this for now. We are not running kurtosis or skewness, or we are not checking variance or sum or anything. We are just running a simple descriptive statistics. So you leave it as it is, then you come continue. When you are done, then you go OK. Then your output will show and you have the results over here.